Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can delete your Facebook page posts individually and in bulk. Well, Facebook page provides a dedicated platform for businesses and organizations to establish a professional online presence, share content with a wider audience, and leverage tools that are not available under personal profile. Well, while sharing contents, there comes a time when you want to delete your posts for some unexpected reasons. This could be only one post or multiple posts. Anyhow, whatever the reason may be to delete your post, go to your Facebook page by selecting one under your profile. Well, if you want to delete only one post, then click on the ellipsis icon of the post and select Move to Recycle Bin, from where it will be deleted automatically after 30 days. And if you want to delete multiple posts, then go to Meta Business Suite and then click on Content. Here you can see my Facebook and Instagram posts, and it's just because I have attached my Instagram account with it. And if you don't know how to attach your Instagram account with it, do watch my tutorial named Connect Instagram Account with Facebook Page. I will also mention its link in the description. So select the Facebook posts that you want to delete. Then click on this ellipsis icon and delete post. It will delete all the selected posts. And this is how you can delete your Facebook page posts individually and in bulk. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comment section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.